Hey everyone, how's it going? Cyrus here with another video, aka Syrious Media. I hope you guys are having a good day, staying safe out there with everything going on. But in today's video, we finally have a Type R video, and in today's video, we're finally going to be checking out the side markers by Suma Performance. I was very lucky enough to be reached out by Eddie over at Suma Performance, and he wanted me to review these for him, and I told him, yeah, sure, why not? Funny thing, I was actually in the market for some side markers about a couple weeks ago, and I'm so happy I decided not to pick any of them up because Eddie reached out to me and I can give these an opportunity. So I'm gonna give these a review, and I'm gonna tell you what I think about them personally and why I decided to run these on my car. So another thing is, I'm really big on safety, as you guys know, so anything that's going to make my drive safer, make my commute safer, whether it be from work to home or just cruising with the homies, I'm always down for safety. And another thing about these lights is that they're sequential. So that's a benefit. I love sequential things. My tail lights are sequential. These are going to be sequential. So let's just get these installed and just see how they are. Alright, so this is inside the box. Let's check it out. Alright. Looks like we got some instructions. Daytime running lights, white LEDs, and the turn signals are amber LEDs. Oh, wait a minute, this is both? This is both amber and white? Whoa, I didn't know that actually. That's pretty cool. So we got instructions, and we have these side markers. Bling bling. Very sleek. I like this design. Alright. Side markers. And we have some wiring. This is probably to be fed into the turning signal lights. Yeah, that's what I'm guessing. Alright, now to installing these. So the first thing you're going to do is remove the side marker. So to do that, there is one screw right here and another screw right here. You're going to want to take these out. You could possibly just take one of them out to get behind the side marker, and you're going to want to push it out. To do that, you're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver. Boom. Now let's see if I can get behind there without taking out the other one. I can, so now I'm just gonna get behind there and I'm gonna push on the little plastic piece that's attached to the side marker, and I'm gonna pop it out. Okay, now you're gonna wanna pop out the piece on the side marker that's similar to this. Alright guys, next you want to go ahead and unhook the turning signal light. This was a little bit of a task because it's a little bit different on every 10th gen, like the regular bodies as compared to where the Type Rs, they have a little bit wider frame. Alright, so now in the box of goodies Suma is going to send you, they're going to give you some wire. Now, you're going to need this wire to estimate the length it's going to take for you to reach from the turning signal light to the side marker light. Once you get your measurement, you want to go ahead and cut the wire. Then you're going to want to splice the wire. We'll strip it, I guess. And these are really crappy strippers. There we go. Probably strip a little bit more off than that if necessary. I'll go ahead and do it actually. There we go. Alright guys, so now this part is kind of just for peace of mind. So if you want, you can take your exposed wire and you can find the blue wire on where the lighting part of the harness is, and take the exposed wire and plug it in to the other end of where the blue wire would be. Now, once you have this part in there, you can go ahead, turn the car on, and check the side marker to see if it is going to turn when you have the turning signal on. Alright, as you can see, the turning signal is working. And we can go ahead and splice. Okay, now once you have a little bit of room to work with within your wiring harness, you can go ahead, take the little connector piece that Suma provides you with. You want to stick the red in on the right side, and you're going to want to slide in the blue wire on the left side. Ooh, it's a little difficult actually. Wait a second. Put the red wire down real quick. Alright, take your red wire, stick it in there. Now, you're going to want to take some pliers and pinch them down. Pinch down the connector piece. Then seal it off. Give it a little tug. It came out, so therefore it wasn't good enough. Alright, and then once you've plugged everything up and crimped everything back in, after that you can do another test run if you want, and then at that point all it is cleanup, and then just repeat what you did to this side to the next side. Alright, and as you guys can see, the new side marker is now in place. What I'm gonna go do though, before I finish and do the other side, I'm going to wrap this up with duct tape just to not leave it exposed any, and then I'm gonna have to go to the store and get another one of these little connector pieces, because I dropped a metal piece in the abyss down there somewhere. So yeah, so I gotta run to the store basically. Stay tuned. All right, we're back. Went to AutoZone, got some more quick splices. The really cool thing about these ones are, these are like waterproof or something. It's really interesting. I might actually just switch out the one that I already put in the car for this one. Seems like a good idea since it's waterproof. We'll see if I can get it to focus now. Oh well, yeah. Alright, heads up. I thought I should tell you guys this before I not show you guys this side actually. So as I was installing this side, I noticed that this side on the harness, the color that you're gonna go into is green instead. I found that out by doing the test, like I tested on the other side, and that is the color you want to splice in. So when you're facing towards the car, on the left side, over here on the passenger side, you're gonna want to go green. Over here on the driver's side, you're gonna want to go blue. Thought I should let you guys know that. Yeah. Next time you guys will see everything on the car. Okay, it's kind of hard to see during the day, but I finally finished, and this is what it looks like going around the car. I have the hazards on right now. I love that, man. I love that look. I like sequential anything, honestly. Sequential lights, and I like how it all just flows together. That's the best part. That is the best part. Yeah, man. So yeah, I would say this is like an 8 out of 10 on installation. 10 being the easiest, 1 being the hardest. Didn't take that long. Once you do the first side, the second side's gonna be easy. Oh yeah, a thing I did have to do, because when I finished like tucking everything back together and cleaning up, for some reason this wasn't working. So what I did was I connected the wire directly to the turn signal wire, and then I crimped it. So heads up, if you have to do that, you might have to tie the wires directly together. But if you do that, be very careful that you conceal the wires so you don't expose them. What I'm gonna do eventually, especially before it rains, I'm gonna go over the wiring and put duct tape on it. But yeah, man, look at that. That looks so good. That looks so much better than the just amber ones. The best part about this is these are only amber when they're turning signal, but like when the lights are on, they're white. I didn't know that until like I saw that in the instructions earlier. So yeah, I'm liking how this looks. It definitely flows with the car. It definitely flows with the car. Yeah, man. Alright, I wanted to take the time at night to show you guys what these look like. So this is me unlocking the car. Fresh, right? Ooh, focus, focus. The brightness is throwing it off. There we go. But yeah, you know, lock it. Oh, that's so cool that it's both amber and white. That's the best part. And like I was saying before, I'm always about things that are gonna make my drive more safe. You can't miss that. You can't miss that. And it's in full sequence with everything else. You can't miss that. Fresh. Alright guys, and that concludes the video of the Suma Performance side markers. I just want to say thank you again, Eddie at Suma Performance, for sending me these side markers. In my honest opinion, these are great side markers. I would definitely recommend them, and they just go so well with the setup that I have right now. So yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning into another video. I really appreciate it. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and please tell a friend about the channel. We are growing. We're gonna be at 1,000 subs in no time, and I feel like it's just gonna be a matter of time. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye.